Hi, welcome to a lazy cook. Let's make some strong and delicious coffee. All that you require is a 4 component Indian filter coffee maker. Let's start with the decoction. For this, we will take around 3 to 4 tablespoons of ground coffee powder and put it into the filtration chamber. My coffee is from Indian Coffee House. Mada is a second brand which I would love to recommend. You can also use any other good Indian filter coffee brand as well. Spread the coffee grounds evenly and then use the pressing disc so as to make the coffee grounds compact. Skip this step and your coffee will become flavorless. After ensuring that the filtration chamber is set over the collection chamber, add the hot water. Too much water and your coffee would be very weak. Just eyeball it, it should be always more than that of your coffee grounds. Set the lid and keep it aside for 20 to 30 minutes. Into a saucepan, add the required amount of milk and sugar and then heat it till it boils completely. I am using full fat milk here. Even if the milk reduces slightly, it would taste quite good. Time to check the decoction. Oops. All the water has just filtered out. The decoction looks too thin and watery. Maybe the pressing part did not work properly. No need to twist your knickers. Let's rectify by putting the decoction back into the filtration chamber and wait for 10 minutes. The coffee grounds should swell properly to get a proper decoction. The coffee grounds look so beautifully glossy now. The decoction is thick and of perfect consistency. If you want a stronger coffee, add more decoction. Follow it up with a milk and sugar mixture. To make it authentic and frothy, just move the coffee between 2 containers. And then there you have it, your amazing Indian filter coffee. I am sure that you might have enjoyed my video, so don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. It encourages me. Bye!